So, hello everybody. I got this email right when the sale started, actually, for Amtrak Railway USA Pass, and I'm actually going to do this. I bought one. It's $250. I had a voucher from a problem I had on the other trip last year to Dallas, so I paid $150 for it instead. I already made a decision. I might not use all 10 patent rides because I'm still not sure of where I want to go. This is the thing. I'm still trying to figure out where I want to go. To be honest, I want to go to the California regions. I'm not a park outside doorsy person. I just want to go for the views. If that makes sense. It's all about the views. I just want to go for that reason alone. Because I like the view when I did the Texas Eagle and the one from my hometown, the Wolverine, where you only see weird stuff that nobody care about. More like it's just a weird view of Michigan that I just don't understand. So the thing is, I really want to explore these. A lot of California. I really want to do the Texas Eagle, but the fact that that's 3 nights on the train and I'm in coach. But the thing is, with my Texas Eagle trip last year, I already know I'm going to say something that's going to throw people off, right? I had a hard time sleeping in the sleeper. And it was just one night. Going, I only slept one night in the sleeper, right? So going to Texas, I slept 3.5 hours. Only reason I don't know how much I slept because I had on my watch and I was timing myself. Only slept 3.5 hours that night. I didn't get good sleep until I got to the hotel in Arlington, Texas. I slept really, really good. And I slept like 12 hours, don't ask, because actually got sick from the heat. I was actually getting sick from being in the heat, which is real sad. Because I realized how much I don't go outside in the summer because I don't like heat. I'm just telling the truth right there. Then coming back, because I knew what I was up against from the first trip, I was knocked out. I actually slept 6.5 hours coming back to Chicago, right? So that wasn't too bad, but yeah, and I think I was napping too. Because since I already knew how to make myself more comfortable in the sleeper from after the first time of being in the sleeper. And I'm going to tell you what made me more comfortable. I used my travel pillow a little differently than it should have been used. I had to stuff it really hard because I need a hard pillow. The pillows in the room wasn't hard enough for me. I like a hard pillow, and then I had to make myself sleep a certain way because it was just really hard with the rocking. And I was on the second level, okay? Second level trying to sleep, and I still felt like I was going to fall off. Well, that's in my video about that trip, but I already knew I was against the light, alright? I was like, no. It wasn't too bad. Like, it wasn't a problem with the train did, the coming there, the air went out and it was hot trying to sleep too. So that was another factor into how I had a hard time sleeping. But it was just really uncomfortable with the rocking and then the horn. And then I realized, put your noise canceling headphones phones on so you can sleep. And then I slept perfectly after that, the second time around. So yeah, that's the crazy story of the Texas Eagle. If anyone wants to know how that went down. Oh, I forgot about the Sunset Limited, y'all. That one you can do the Sunset Limited. To go. The Gold Runner. Oh, that sound like. I looked at this route. It's more like it's even help you get where you need to go type of situation. Pacific Surfliner. That one sounds nice, but I really want that one too. It's three of them. I know. But I think what's going to end up happening for me is I already think I know which three I'm going to take. The Southwest Chief to Los Angeles. Then in Los Angeles, get on the Coast Starlight. Then the California Zephyr to get back to Chicago. That's my goal. That's my goal. It's only 3 different trains. But hey, oh my God, this one 12 hours. This one 12 hours to get to where I want to go. This is 2 days, 2 days. So that's like 5 days. Just say it. It's like really 4, but yeah, it's 5 days. Let me stop counting wrong. It's gonna feel like 5 days. Cause I still gotta get back to my hometown, and that's 6 hours right there, 5 or 6 hours. So yeah, it's gonna be like 5 days on a train. Yeah, I have to remember. I have done back in the day. I used to get on Greyhound buses a lot, and those were not really short trips. And no, actually, those are torture trips. But we ain't gonna talk about it today. They were torture. Then let's see. That's just one of the ones I want to try. And then like, let's go back up to the planning. Where we want to go? Cause I'm in Midwest. That's where I'm at right now, y'all. Okay. Midwest. I've been to Chicago a million times, so that's not even a choice for me anymore. I've been there too many times. Yeah, I've been there way too many times. So I don't want to go. See, there's a lot of different ones that leave out of Chicago. You know. Because the thing is, should I do the California Zephyr first or last? I don't know yet. Oh, and then I was eyeballing the city of New Orleans one too. I don't know which one I want to do. Or should I do the California trip first? Then, because they say you can get 2 round trips, right? They say you gotta be 2 round trips in there. You can get 2 round trips out your pass and like that, right? Because I was thinking of like using my points. Don't ask me why I got points on my card. Don't ask. But I'm using my points and actually get a sleeper on one of these and not use the pass. I don't know. I don't know yet. But yeah, it's a lot of different ones. That one was fun too. We go to St. Louis. I don't know. Because there's so many places I've never been. Okay, so South. What we got for South? Not much. I'm for real. I'm gonna say it. There's not much. I never been. Oh yes, I've been to the South too much. That's another thing. That's why I don't really think about the South. I'm just throwing out ideas to myself right now. I don't know where I want to go, but I got to May to figure out where to go and use this pass. So I don't know when I want to take a trip. Well, the internet's to know when I take the trip because I most likely post the situation of what happened because I like to post what happens. I wanted to get on this one, but y'all, why that thing look so old? When I was at the station, I was like, y'all just that's a throwaway train because y'all just threw up anything up on that mug so it can go on a trip. That goes to Mobile, Alabama. That one go to oh. So it is a train for Atlanta. See, I don't even know that. I never thought about that one. Mm-hmm. Did I know we go there? I didn't know. And Floridians go everywhere. It seems like it's like that path is weird. I don't understand that path. That's a long one too. But where would I go once I get to? Because I go to Miami, and I would most likely take a cruise if I went to Miami. Because I don't really think I would want to hang around Florida. And I've been to Florida one time in my life, and I don't. And I think I went to some beach. I don't remember. I was in high school, so I don't remember. But yeah, there's so many trains, y'all. It's just so many trains. I don't know. Okay, northeast. Where's the northeast, y'all? Oh, that's pretty much yeah. Sella. I want to go on that one so bad. That don't have nothing to do with the past, but I want to go on it because it just sounds fun. Oh, they got a lot. No, if I went that way, I would want to go to what is it called? Jeez, I can't. Niagara Falls. Yeah, we'll go to Niagara Falls if I did this way. Go towards the Maple Leaf. But I heard it only Maple Leaf is a tricky one to get a ticket for in the first place. And it's weird. It's one way in, one way out type of situation. Let me just click on that one and see something. Where is the schedule? Because this one thing I noticed. That one is a little tricky. I'm silly, y'all. Y'all already know it. Yeah, it's a tricky train because I think it only arrives in New York. I don't think it's supposed to originate. If I'm right, I'm not right. I think it's a one way. I swear, I think this is a one way. I'm not sure. One of these is a one way. I know that much. But yeah, I don't know. I just took this off the dang home phone because it looked like it was making my camera look blurry when I put this on there. The protector for the camera protector. It just looked weird. So I was like, we gotta go. But yeah, I don't know what I want to do with this pass.